Content creation, personal branding, building distribution. Call it in whatever form you want, but everyone agrees that owning a brand distribution that resonates with an audience is the biggest moat in the current decade. But instead of creating one channel with your face, what if you could do 9 of them? I'm not joking here. All of them would look different, feel different, could tackle different niches, different domains. But in the back end, it's all run by one person. And probably a team of scriptwriters if you're doing 9 of them. It's a wild idea, but this AI model I'm about to show you can actually make it happen. I'll show you another example. Your presenter does not even need to be human. Just look at how seamless my gestures are and my facial expressions. Uncanny, right? Well, it's from the same model I'm about to show you. Okay, one last example. This time, I'm gonna put myself into a movie.
Keys to success in the broker business. First of all, you gotta stay relaxed. Yeah.
Just see how the model automatically adjusts the lighting, the expressions, everything. It just feels like I'm actually in it. Well, the same AI model. You can use this to run multiple pages or maybe just run one page and create interesting skits where you play every character. Make cool AI films, be it realistic or animated, or just create your own custom memes by putting yourself inside popular scenes. Before I reveal the tool, hit that subscribe button and let's move on. This is an AI video model called WAN 2.2 Animate. WAN has a 2.5 model currently, but the Animate feature that did everything you saw before works primarily on WAN 2.2. And you know what the best part is? It's completely open source. To use it, you simply go to wan.video and select video over here and change it to avatars. Now, when you click on speech to video, you will see 2 options. The first one is photo animate and the next one is character swap. Let me quickly explain what each of them do. Photo animate is when you have a photo that you would like to animate using a video that has motion and gestures. Say you have this picture right here and you wanted to add motion in it using this video. So here, the video becomes the source and the picture becomes the target. Now, in character swap, it's the opposite. You have a video where you want to swap out the main character using a picture of that character. So here I have a video that I'd like to change myself and I want to change myself into this person. So in this case, the picture becomes the source and the video becomes the target. Let's explore these one by one. First up, let's try photo animate. So I'm just going to set this to photo animate and I'll first upload my action video. This is basically the video where I'm having certain gestures and I'm going to add a target image, which is basically the image that I'd like to animate. So I'm going to select this image over here and I'm going to click on generate. I basically generated this picture using Midjourney, but you can pretty much use any state-of-the-art image model like Nano Banana, Seed Dream or Flux. All right, the output is here. Let's take a look at it. Wow, that's actually pretty seamless. So Runway basically had this feature called, it still has that feature. It's called Act 2, which does exactly this. But having an open source model that actually does the same thing in such high quality is pretty wild. So I first used an animated character over here. Let's actually try it on a real character. And for this time, we're going to use my co-founder Siddhant. So I have a picture of him right here and I'm just going to upload it over here. Now I took his permission before doing this. So if you guys are ever using a real person here, make sure you take consent. Otherwise, it could land you in trouble. All right, I'm going to hit generate. Hi, I'm Siddhant Goswami and welcome to this video where I'll teach you how to build your first AI agent. Now, for the front end, we're going to use Lovable, and for the back end, we're going to use Claude Code, and we're going to give it tool calling access. Before further ado, let's get started. Wow, that's actually pretty cool. The crazy part about this feature is how you can start creating high production AI animated films from just a collection of images. Like, see this example I created where I animated myself. I'm pretty hungry and I'd like to eat some ramen noodles right now. Would you have some ramen noodles? You don't? Well, where can I find some? Or this one where I animated myself as a Pixar character. Hello everybody, my name is Buzz Lightyear and I'm a space commander to infinity and beyond. Or see this one where I'm Sun Wukong from the game Black Myth Wukong. Sun Wukong. It's almost like you have access to studio grade production at your home and you don't even need to know animation. But you do need to have some sort of decent acting skills though. Moving on, let's try the next feature, which is character swap. And to use this, all I need to do is change the photo animate to character swap and upload my files. So here I'm going to upload the target video, which is the video where the character is going to be swapped at. So I'm just going to upload that. And I'm going to upload the character image. So I want to be this person. I'll click on generate and boom, check out the output. Just look at how seamless my gestures are and my facial expressions. Uncanny, right? Now, for another example, if you want to star in your favorite movie, just grab a clip of it. So I'm just gonna insert that over here and I'm gonna upload my face because I want to be a star of this movie, and I'll click on generate.
To success in the broker business, first of all, you gotta stay relaxed.
The only note here though would be to select a scene where you can actually see the face, and ideally there should be only one character in the scene. Otherwise the output gets a little weird. Using this specific feature, you can pretty much start like 3 to 4 channels of your own and make it look like there are multiple people doing it. To be honest, running one channel is as hard as it is, trust me, but if you have the time and you're willing to put in the effort, well, sky's the limit. Now, I've been using this feature on the One website, and if you are using this feature on their website, you are pretty much using their GPUs. So you do have to top up your account. But there is a way to use it for free. If you want to use it for free, there's a GitHub repo that I've pasted in the description. You can check it out. You can just clone the repo and you can run it locally as well. The only catch here is that you'll need a system that has a good GPU with at least 24 gigabytes of VRAM, which is usually found in an RTX 4090 or higher. And additionally, you'll need to run it in Comfy UI, which if you haven't used before, does have a bit of a learning curve. Now, if you're someone who wants to understand how these models work under the hood, like properly learn diffusion models, video generation, how to use Comfy UI effectively, or even dive into LLMs and agents, we actually run an applied AI cohort where we go pretty deep into all of this stuff. It's been really cool to see people from all sorts of backgrounds take it, and if that sounds interesting to you, just check out our website and you can just inquire there. We also do free live masterclasses pretty much every weekend on multiple topics. So if you just want to dip your feet, I've linked how to register onto these masterclasses in the descriptions as well. That being said, look, we're living in a pretty insane time right now. Just 5 years ago, if you wanted to create something like this, you'd need a full production team with expensive equipments, a studio, animators, VFX artists, the whole 9 yards. We're talking hundreds of thousands of dollars and months of work. But now, you can do it from your bedroom with just a decent idea and these tools. And this isn't just about making cool videos or running multiple channels, though that's definitely a part of it. What excites me the most is that this is completely leveling the playing field for creators. That kid in a small town who has an incredible story to tell but no access to film school or production budget, they can pretty much bring their vision to life. That entrepreneur who wants to create ads for their product but can't afford a production agency, they've got the tools now. Independent filmmakers, educators, marketers, meme creators, everybody suddenly has access to what used to be studio grade capabilities. We are currently witnessing the democratization of storytelling in real time. And honestly, I think we're just scratching the surface here. When you combine tools like One with AI script writing, music generation, and editing tools, you're essentially looking at a future where the only barrier between your imagination and the final product is your willingness to learn and experiment. So my challenge for you today is simple. Don't just watch this video and move on. Actually download the tool, try it out and experiment with it. Create something weird, create something fun, create something that matters to you. Because the best creators of tomorrow are not going to be the ones with the biggest budgets. They're going to be the ones who learn to leverage these tools early and push them to their limits. And who knows, maybe a year from now, you'll be making your own tutorial showing off what you built with this. All right, that's it from me. If you found this valuable, do leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.